Namaste, welcome to Home #Life. Haven't we heard this thousands of times? These are real challenging times and we need to exercise utmost care and caution. But how to achieve that? And from where we can start? Let's start by setting up an organized disinfection station in our entryway with all the necessary safety tools. And at the same time, this sanitizing station will act as a soldier to protect us from bacteria, microbes and viruses. Also, this video is in association with Wonderchef home appliances. Let's do the best we can. Let's get started. Create a dedicated space to organize all sanitizing tools. A small cabinet or a chest of drawers, as available, can be kept right beside the entrance to keep our essentials handy, where they can cater to our safety needs while going out or coming inside home. This cabinet with storage option is an exact fit for our small entryway. Even in an independent home where we have enough space, the same setup can be done outside the entryway in the lobby, but in apartments we have limited choices. To start with, first I am placing this new revised Prato antiviral oven from Wonderchef. While we take utmost care in sanitizing our hands, wearing masks, we also need to sanitize the things that enter our homes from outside. Some of us keep the packages outside in the sun for a few hours. Some of us spray disinfectant and then store the contents. But not every product can be washed or sprayed. Whatever your disinfection method may be, here is a super product that can give you peace of mind and can be an effective weapon in keeping you safe against the harmful germs. When Wonderchef sent me this antiviral oven, I was surprised to know that it can be a super effective solution for our disinfection needs. We will explain this antiviral oven's features and what all items can be kept inside to disinfect after a while. After placing the oven on top, now it's time to organize hand sanitizers, masks and disinfectant spray, etc. Right beside the oven, I have placed a hand sanitizer with a pump. Also placed it inside a holder which will make it look nicer. I am using this open shelf to store pocket hand sanitizers, disinfectant spray and wipes, toothpicks, hand gloves, etc. Everything inside this basket within easy access and ready to go. We all know about sanitizers, wipes and sprays, but many of us are yet to know about an oven which can kill 99.5% germs. No worries, I am here to share this important information with you. Our biggest worry is to ensure everything that comes into our home is disinfected. Wonderchef Life's Prato antiviral oven kills germs that are on the surface of our food, gadgets and other accessories with exposure to ultraviolet C light. UVC rays have a short wavelength and are known to destroy viruses and prevent them from multiplying. Let's see how to use. There are 3 settings for UV light: top, bottom, both. It is recommended to use both the tubes. First, place the products on the grill so that they get exposed to UVC light from all the sides. Use the tray to place small objects. Then close the door and switch on the oven. Set a timer for 10 minutes. When the bell rings, take out your disinfected items from the oven. Also keep in mind, before using it for the first time, wash the tray and grill and let it dry completely. Also run it empty to remove any packing and transport odor. Be cautious, do not open the oven while it's on. The capacity of this oven is 9 liters. We can use this oven to sanitize fresh vegetables, groceries, food packets, milk packets, electronics, clothes, cash, toys, newspapers, bags, wallets, medical equipments, masks and PPEs, delivery packets, jewelry and daily use items like pens, keys, etc. to stay safe from this virus in a quick and efficient way. I'm going to share few more articles and research paper in the description box where you can do your own research and check on how this UV ray works on microbes, bacteria and viruses. You can always use your own discretion in learning more about it. These drawers have our necessary items like reusable masks, disposable masks, socks, hanky, sunglasses. This one holds our daughter's essentials, etc. This last drawer holds shopping bags, extra masks and hand sanitizers to refill when needed. Keeping a track and refilling in advance always helps. I have used these hooks to set up this mask hanging station. We can sanitize our masks in the Prato antiviral oven and hang them here to reuse. Labeling would be great to avoid any confusion among family members. Don't forget to share the video with them who have to step out of the home without a choice. Be wise and sanitize. And be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you think this Entryway Organization video adds value during this COVID times. We have started accepting this new normal life slowly. Let's fill ourselves with practical solutions and information to keep us and our family safe from the risk of contamination. Also, don't forget to check Wonderchef's Prato antiviral oven. All the details have been shared in the description box below. Share the video and subscribe to #Life. Also, you can find us on Instagram and Facebook for more videos, pictures and life updates. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.